Hey guys. Well, hopefully I won't get attacked by carpenter bees. There's about 3 of them out here today. See, there's one right behind me. I got to get all that stuff killed. But anyway, here we go, and we got it. We got the floor pan down. I just got tech screws in it right now. I got to go get some body glue and sealant for around the edges. What I'm planning on doing is I'm going to pull this thing back out. Let's do it this way. But I'm going to pull this thing back, pull all these screws out. Wherever I got a screw at, might actually put another one over here. But wherever I have a screw at, I'm going to drill that out a little bit with probably a 1/4 inch or maybe 3/8 bit. I'm not sure yet. But I drill it out and I'm just going to spot weld it there. Because I got, I don't know, probably 2 inches or so difference. Except for like right here. I'm going to have to probably tack that up, stitch weld it there. And maybe a little bit right here in this corner. Do a couple stitch welds. Just make sure it seals real good, or I might just glob sealant in there. I don't know. But yeah, it worked out pretty good. Once I got it in there and kind of got this relief cut and this relief cut, I was able to kind of hammer it down and it slid in there pretty good. But it's in there. It's solid. So, but yeah, these aren't as bad as what I thought they'd be. I know this isn't like a full-on restoration or nothing. I'm just doing this so my foot won't go through the floor pan, or the new carpet I put in here isn't going to get all soaking wet. I mean, it's just for me. This ain't nothing. I'd say if you're doing I don't know, 69 Roadrunner or something, do it this way. No, don't. Make sure you do it correctly. This is right, but it's not. How can I put it? I guess it's not professional. It's right, but it's not professional. Does that make sense? So, but yeah, I gotta go get the filler for it and stuff, and now I have a passenger side floor pan for this truck, for Copperhead. Well, that's one step closer. And I might start on this dash today. I gotta wait on the other floor pan for, the end of the month, the other floor pan comes in. So I'll be doing that beginning of next month, I guess. I get some time off work. But I didn't use many tools, real quick. I got air chisel, grinder, impact gun, and a hammer. And a pair of channel locks, because you always need channel locks. But yeah, that's all I used. And I beat this thing to death to get in here. But it doesn't look bad. I mean, you tell me. So I'll see you later. I'm going to get on some other stuff. Alright, take it easy.